Hi there. It's Denise from howtostayfitover50.com. Before I forget, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of these updates. I'm updating twice a week generally. Today, many of you have asked, is there a quick way to lose weight? Well, as far as I'm concerned, there is no quick way to lose weight. Yeah, you can drop a few pounds. Generally, it's water weight, and as soon as you drink your water, which you're supposed to be drinking anyways, that weight will come back on. It's definitely gotten more difficult as I've gotten older, which is probably what you all are experiencing as well. I know it started to seem like it got more difficult after 40, 45-ish, and then as I'm now in my 50s, almost 60, and since my hysterectomy, it's become very difficult for me, and we have been talking about that. It seems like if you have had a complete hysterectomy with your ovaries removed, you will be struggling more than somebody that had a hysterectomy that they still have their ovaries. So that's the video previous to this one, I believe. So go watch that one if you had a complete hysterectomy. Anyways, tips to help you lose weight this month. You ready? Water. As far as I'm concerned, water is the miracle cure for so many things. We often are walking around completely dehydrated. We don't even realize it. And then when we start drinking water, all of a sudden we start feeling better. We're not really hungry, we're thirsty. So, rule of thumb is half your weight in ounces of water every single day, okay? Make it easy. If you weigh 200 pounds, that's 100 ounces of water every single day. Just doing this one thing this week, you'll notice a difference, I promise. Number 2, eating clean, okay? If you eat clean 80% of the time and 20% wiggle room, that's going to move you in the right direction. I don't want you to stress over it. For me, I follow a 80-85% vegetarian diet. That's also in a previous video, so I don't want to go into too much detail about that, but since I have switched over to that format, that is what has helped me lose 15 pounds. So I call it a paleo-vegetarian or paleotarian. How does that sound? I stay with food close to its natural source. If I do have protein, it's either eggs or shrimp. I no longer eat beef or pork, but that's, like I said, in a previous video. And so imagine your plate, okay? Three quarters, fill it with vegetables, okay? And an even better tip, eat those vegetables first. I have found that when I eat the vegetables first and save the protein to later, for some reason I'm very much satisfied for hours. Number 3, get on the scale. I myself am not a fan of that scale. I really am. I'm just like not a fan. But I get on the scale at least twice a week. Sometimes when I really want to focus and make sure I stay on track, I get on it daily, but I tend to get obsessed with things, so I don't want to be obsessive with the scale. But if you find that weighing more helps you, then get on that scale. But you have to get on the scale today and find out where you're starting. You have to have your starting point, and that's all it is. That's all it is. So get on the scale, write that number down. Number 4, journal. Keep a journal. And I don't want you to focus on losing weight. Okay, then all that you become obsessed with that, or diet. Then you become obsessed with being deprived. This is what I want your thoughts to be. I will easily reach my weight loss. I will not my weight loss. I will easily reach my weight goals. That's it. We're not using the word loss. We're not using the word diet, nothing like that. I will easily reach my weight or my fitness goals. Okay? That's 4. I got one more for you. Number 5, you gotta get up and move it. You see I'm in my gym. This is my huge fitness class here. I teach online and offline. I'm here today because I was offline, but I still record the videos for people like you that can't join me in the gym here, and many folks are not comfortable yet going to the gym. But from me to you, as an insider tip, this gym is probably cleaner than your grocery store. just so you know that they're really on top of cleaning everything. You can also see the weights back there. We spray those down every day, but you have to move it. Oh, Denise, I work in the yard all the time. I walk all day for what I do as my job. I hear you, but it's not enough. See, this is what happened. Your body adjusts to what you continually ask it to do. So if your job, and my husband, for example, now walks a half marathon minimum every day, okay? And at first he was losing weight. He's no longer losing weight because his body has adjusted to that. So even if you're like a nurse or you're on your feet all day long as a hairdresser, you own a salon, say, even for me, I teach 9 fitness classes a week, but my body had become used to that. So now with the kayaking and the hiking that I'm doing twice a week, that also has helped me lose the 15 pounds. So whatever it is you're doing, you need to ramp it up. Quick way to do it, if you're a walker every morning, start doing some intervals, okay? So walk for 2 minutes, jog, or pick up the pace, power walk for 30 seconds. Then go back to your regular gait, your regular, however fast or slow you go, then pick it up for 30 seconds. So you alternate. And then build it up to like 1 minute your regular walk, 1 minute jog or fast walk, and you'll see a difference. Your body is just this most amazing thing, and you constantly have to challenge it. I hope you're having an amazing day. You can find me, howtostayfitover50.com. You can also find me on Facebook, How to Stay Fit Over 50 or How to Stay Fit After 50. I don't know, with Denise, you can find me there. You can also find me on Instagram. I'll put the link below if you want to join me for my online fitness classes. You don't have to physically be here. You can be there, and I'll give you high fives as we go through it. I'll put the link below. Don't forget to subscribe. Chat with you soon. Bye.